Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are, what time you're watching. I'm going to show you a quick chest workout with the stretch bands. My favorite universal tool that goes anywhere, as is now on the roof overlooking Bangkok. Basically, get a stretch band, warm up your shoulders. With any activity you do, you're going to warm up your shoulders. Okay, big circles, rotate them forward, rotate them backwards. Do a little twist. All right. Just make sure you get slightly warmed up so your muscles are not cold. You want them to be a little bit warm so they will be functioning better. There's more nutrition going to your muscles and things like this. I will explain a lot more in other videos than the ones previous. So basically, there's several ways you can do this. I'm just going to show you one or two real quick here. First off, the stretch band, you can always grip it the way you need the most resistance. Typically, you can just go over just like this, all right, and just see where I'm at, just below the shoulder girdle. Now, you can grab it, different variations, but we'll just grab it like boxing style, okay? So, go ahead and get your posture correct. No matter what exercise you're doing, make sure you're strong at your core, your posture's nice and firm. Okay. Now, simply you can do one at a time. Punch straight in front of you. You can go out a little bit wider if you like. A lot of this variations will be just to stir things up for you. These workouts I do are for everyday people. We're not trying to do a bodybuilding like single motion that's designed specifically to target small areas of each muscle independently, more or less. We're trying to do things that are fitting to most everyday people that want to stay fit, develop lean mass, burn fat, have good flexibility, stay mobile, and stay active. So we'll do two at a time. All right. You can go back as far as you want. Like this hand positioning is fine to go back. Okay. You can go back, forward. Make sure you don't go too high up because it'll roll off your shoulders. So this exercise is primarily going to be the mid to lower part of your chest. Okay. Do one at a time. Switch it up. All right. Go slow, control it. You can do power movements. Push out, slowly return. All right. If you want to get more active, more cardio developing, you could do this exercise and do squats along with it. All right. So down. Very easy, just to make this exercise more compound. You burn more calories, more fit, increase your oxygen uptake. All right. You work your way up to it. Try too much, too soon, too fast, you might get burned out really quick. Now you can go across with it, a little bit of oblique action, right? Now, if you want to target a little bit more of your upper chest, you simply go underneath your arms, underneath your armpits. Now you go up higher, okay? Same thing going on there. Just do the Ishinru punch style here, thumb up. If you want to go like this, you can, but I would suggest for most people to do this way because there is less impingement on the shoulder. If you go this way, it's not natural to go back so far. If you this way, you can go back, and it's better for your shoulders. Like I said, for everyday people, this is a better thing to do for your shoulders. So, we'll keep that up. Right. You can go up a little bit higher if you like. The higher up you go, the more you're going to be shifting the focus. And it's also going to be hitting your front deltoids here a little bit. Alright. Like I said, do your squats if you want. Mix it up. That's your basic little one-on-one right there. Only exercise band and no anchor except yourself. Next time I'll show you how to use a tree or a pole. It's all good. It's all fun. So there you go. Thanks for checking me out. I'll see you next time. Train smart. Stay strong.